At the start of the third quarter, immediately a basket para sa Lady Phoenix. Torres, baseline drive. Herrera nilabas pa using that board. Pero puntahan muna natin yung ating halftime score kanina, or our quarter score, storya ng ating quarter. 14-11 ng ating first quarter. Lamang pa ang Lady Phoenix, ang Olpu with 3. Pero that big second quarter by RTU, outscoring by 10, 31 to 24 or 20 to 10 run ang ginawa doon ng RTU, taking the lead to 7. And this time they are enjoying a 9-point lead. And Mendoza creating. Torres anticipated, tumama sa ulo ni Paragas yung lead pass niya papunta kay Casella. Mendoza, or rather that's Borga missing that shot. And with the entry of Casella, bibilis na naman yung opensa ng RTU Lady Thunders. And Coach Camila Escoto was forced to call a timeout. Magbabalik po kami dito sa Union Sports League. And we're back here, 37-26, now an 11-point lead after that layup of Casella. At natapik na naman ni Casella. Casella! Masyado malakas yung pasa para sa kanya. Mendoza against Casella. Here are the Lady Phoenix. Borga. Mendoza! Bang! That will be her third three-point field goal made. Herrera earlier made that final buzzer three. Back-to-back three then para kay Herrera sa kanyang field goal. That pass is too strong. Casella nagmamadali. All alone. Oh, too strong. Pero si Torres was there to clean up the mess. It's now 42-29. Slowly, the RTU Lady Thunders wants to pull away from this game. Entry pass, ganda ng pasa kay Borga. And that was made possible by Mika Bausing. Pacheco now. He stops her dribble to Casella. Casella attacks. Herrera, corner, miss. Mendoza now. Jocelyn to Salutan. Alarmino, Borga. At Bausing nangihinayang. Ganda uli ng setup niya ron. Pero sablay yung tira ni Lera Borga. Here's Casella. Jean. Pacheco. Medyo malayo yung pasa niya ron. Somo, Mendoza, and Estandarte checking back in. Replacing Herrera, Paragas, at si Torres. Mendoza, Borga, and blocking foul. Guilty will be Carol Mendoza. Kumagat siya rin sa fake ni Lera Borga. Now they're running. Casella. And Hindi niya kinaya. Yung pader na binangga niya. Let's keep Ferrer on the defensive end. Ferrer. Bausing, back to Ferrer. Swings it to Mendoza. Corner, Salutan! Bang! Ashley Salutan converting that corner 3, cutting the lead to just 8. Casella now. They are now moving the basketball. Estandarte making a flop. And a warning will be called on Estandarte for taking a foul. Hindi siya sa harap mismo ni referee Michael Bondat. Kaya talagang hindi lulusot. Alam ni referee Michael Bondat na walang foul. Turnover naman on that end. Bausing was called for the last touch. Casella to Somo. Here's Estandarte. Iniwan si Salutan with that head and shoulder fake. And he made that 15-footer jumper. Back to a double-digit lead. Salutan to Ferrer. Bausing finding Borga. Borga intimidated. Casella now. Estandarte, another head and shoulder fake papunta kay Mendoza. That turnaround shot miss. Ferrer to Mendoza. Casella. Salutan again. Mendoza, corner 3. He gets her own miss. And there will be a blocking foul. That basket will not count. This was, a foul was taken or was made. And Marino, Malubay, and Contiveros replacing Estandarte, Casella, at si Mendoza. Torres also checking back in. Or sorry, si Sangre yung pinalitan. Si Torres, papalitan niya si Mendoza. Ferrer, gift. Mendoza at her favorite spot for 3. He gets her own miss. Give Ferrer. Give Ferrer. Using her muscle to create that shot. He gets her own miss and he made that basket. A very nonchalant player, but that time she was looking for a foul. Gusto ko yung attitude ng mga player pag ganito, yung mga nonchalant lang. At sana yun ang mga matutunan ng mga bata. And that will be a hacking foul as Mendoza tries to steal that ball. And a pushing foul ang itatawag, no? Pero Justin Mendoza, that will be our second personal foul. On the 15-foot line now is number 4. That's Leah Rain Joy Malubay. Baliktad. Ayun, pinayos na. Split charity para kay Malubay. And that full court trap. Give Ferrer to Bausing. Bausing. Yan, tumama. Kay Somo yung bola. Alright, we will have an official's timeout. Tinamaan ng bola yung ating mga monitors here. So, kung nawawala yung video namin okay yung video natin. May nais lang dito sa ating harapan. Okay, we will pause for a short break. So there will be an official's timeout. And we will have a short break as we have some technical difficulty. Kailangan natin ibalik. So pagbalik, magbabalik kami kagad. Ayusin lang po natin sandali yung ating live stream. Alright, we apologize for the inconvenience. We just want to give you the best quality ng ating live stream, no? Siyempre, hatid sa inyo yan ng our creative events and organizing service. Kaya medyo inayos natin. So, makikita nyo na po dyan. Ang ganda ng ating live stream. And Bausing recovering that almost turnover. Gip Pereira. Ayun na naman si Gip. Uy! Yung ganda naman ng footwork na yun. Pero malakas yung tira ni Gip. 1 second remaining and the shot clock will expire. Grabe yung hesi move ng Gip Pereira. Talaga namang ako kanina pa ako nai-impress sa mga nakikita ko mga naglalaro. I'm not expecting na ganito nakataas talaga yung level ng women's basketball natin, no? Talagang iba yung dinalang influence ng ating mga lady ballers from international and even the local, lalo na yung ating women's gilas. And a great find, Ferrer! Pero sa blind tira ni Bausing, medyo nailang siya ron. And that give and go play, sayang naman. Sumo attacking Ferrer and that will be a foul. And that is medyo masakit pero kasama talaga sa laro, making sure that you will not give that easy basket. Hindi lang naman, lalo na kung sa mga lalaking naglalaro pa yan, eh talagang iba yung tawag natin yan. Medyo konting excessive ng contact pero talagang pero just making sure na walang 3-point play na possible at Somo needs to at si Somo kailangan niyang kunin dito. He has to earn it in the hard way sa 15-foot line. At yun, no? Palakpakan yung crowd. Mukhang may baong fans club. Itong si Angelica Jane Somo. Talagang nag-effort yung kanyang mga classmates, no? Dahil alam natin naka break pa. Dumulas kay Torres yung bola. Pero great save there coming from number 21. Conteveros! He will miss. Torres again! Torres doing the intangible things. I think that will be his fourth offensive rebound in this ball game. Mas marami yung offensive rebound compared to her defensive rebound. Gip Ferrer. He is now acting as the point and double dribble. Actually, hindi talaga yung pasa, hindi para kay Berlarmino, no? It was intended for San Jose. Malaki break na nga, nandun si Berlarmino, kaya lang nagulat siya when she receives that pass. Conteveros, they go to Paragas. Paragas will try her own three. And Paragas missing that one. 48-36, a dozen-point lead, the biggest lead of this ball game. Ferrer picking that three. San Jose cannot catch that ball. Conteveros. And a little fake and a basket for Marie-Christine Marino, giving them the biggest lead at the quarter. After the third, it's a 14-point lead. 50-36 naman po ang RTU Lady Thunders against Olpu Lady Phoenix. Magbabalik po ang Union Sports League.